Hello Sanbonani, my name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making a sausage stew, something you can make quickly when you don't have time. A list of ingredients will be in a description box below. Let's begin. Add oil in a hot pan, then brown the sausage for about 5 to 6 minutes, turning it over when it's brown on each side. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you like it here. Please subscribe and press the notification bell. Once the sausages are browned, take them out of the pan, scrape the leftover or the debris out of the pan and leave the oil. Fry your chopped onion in the same pan without washing it. Sprinkle curry powder, fresh thyme and stir. Add your chopped bell peppers or robot peppers, that's how we call them in my country. Sprinkle paprika, mix, add minced garlic, stir in between, then origanum or oregano, stir. 2 minutes later, add tomato paste for structure, followed by your chopped tomatoes. Stir, let them fry, give them time, about 2 minutes or so. Then you add your beef stock cube, followed by warm water or hot water or any stock that you have, stirring in between. Then sprinkle salt and pepper. You may add sugar to offset the acidity of tomatoes. That's optional. Close the lid and let it simmer for 5 to 8 minutes. Then add back the sausage and allow it to cook together for about 2 minutes. Add a little bit of water if it is burning and reduce the heat. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.